In this video, I will show you how to set up my Gusto account. First, head over to app.gusto.com and log in. To start setting up, just click Continue. The first step is setting up your payroll. Go through the details, and once you're done, head back to the home page. Scroll down and you will see your next task. Click on it and answer the questions, filling out any required details. When finished, hit Save and Continue, then click Continue again. Next, return to the home screen and move on to the third task by clicking Let's Do It. Here you will need to add your tax account details. You can do this by clicking Edit directly from the task or by going to the left-hand menu and selecting the tax setup. From there, just follow the guided steps until everything is complete. And that's how to set up my Gusto account.